Ah. Nigga!
I was tired.
Almost, man, almost.
Hey! Do I see a road there? Because if there is a road, we can maybe climb from that road up there and then more there. Right now, right door, that door, milk, make door, see bread door. I just parked it, man.
No, 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 no. Yes, yes.
Stisnu mi je motor raka.
Daj. Oh. It's shaking a lot, man. It's shaking as f. Oh. My arm almost broken. My plastic's broken. This just because of the fender, man. Kva je to, no? What to, kako pizda?
It's here. So we are gonna fix this situation with duct tape, so you just need to watch and learn.
I almost broke my brake sheet, man.
I almost broke my brake sheet.
So I will here you see this shit, man. You got to fix
Come on.
it. So got to fix the situation, man. Surf, no more surf. Now it's duct tape rough.
Duct tape F, man.
Duct F, man. This situation, you know. So this is how se reče, throwback on old Honda, man. I have a red black Honda now, man. Yes, black monster bitch. And you can block it. Ah! Ah! You see the.
Nothing is here, man.
Yes, man. Yes, I found mushrooms, man. We can do dinner too later, man. It's your check. We will take it for next year, man. You gotta destroy the goba, so there is much more next year, you know, guys. And if you ride over it with the bike, da mi now sporniče gledao, So if you destroy it around the forest, there is much more mushrooms next year, you know. So you need to put it all around the forest. Yes, yes, like this.
Well done, well done. Nice, nigga, nice. Kanate, kanate. Very nice, very nice. A greva!
Oh, not good, man.
Pa še za pest je spet zvil, zaradi handguarda.
Pičku matr! No!
Glej ga, kako je ujel ljubico, ej.
Oj ga, kva dela, Hopala!
Ja, pa še klej model.
Kar nisem tankal, ne me jebat. Sploh ne, zakaj je padel, ej. Kar odpelo se je človek, res.
Te palce mokre se strope.
In klej, kar zdaj me boli ta, veš, ko se premika. Pa na šupak sem se po telefonu, upam, da je v redu. Kaj je to? Oh,
Si prej rekel?
oh. I'm gonna sell this Honda, man. I'm really gonna sell this shit. To je nič vredna plastika, ej. Na stari Hondi se pol tok nisi jebal, ej.
Čak da posnamem. Oh, Vlad, what the fuck? This nigga crazy, man. Now you can put it down. What the fuck, man.
I don't need this shit. I'm gonna throw it right down here, man.
So if anyone wants Vlad's Honda, you just need to write a letter
Do you know what I need, man? I need new plastics and color them with the spray, man.
and some skills.
And fuck this bitch ass traffic shit.
Did you say to him I'm gonna fuck you up, nigga? You don't know who I am. Oh, jebem ti, eh. Yo, very bad day.
Very bad day for this.
This is because earlier you said that you can't go home without fuck it up something, man.
Ja,
you-
sam se spukao na motor, ja sam mislio sebe.
You fucked up your bike, you fucked up your asshole, you fucked up your arm.
I thought myself, not the bike, man.
What's next, man?
We will see on that jump there.
Maybe Gleason again, eh? Ankle.
I'm thinking about just let it go down here so it be easier for me, man.
Okay, let's show us then, man. Just
I really have nothing to lose, man. Everything is already fucked, man.
and I'm not wasting time with Generalka, man. Yoo-hoo!
Like this, and then
This motherfucker is crazy, man. For 1,000 euros are going away, man. Oh, yeah.
easiest way to get it off the hill, man.
4,000 euros, eh? 4,000 euros. Just put on the ground and smash it, man. Yes. This nigga is crazy, man. Hey, you know what, man? People want to ride Hondas, but they can't because they're too expensive. Look what you're doing with your Honda, man.
It's a YouTube sponsor you, you can just throw it like this, you know.
Yo, man. This is why you don't have any fans, man. You are destroying everything.
Hey, now the handlebar is against straight.
This nigga is totally crazy, man. No words, man. No words.
They're fucking with me, man.
Woohoo!
Nice. Wow. Bitch, eh.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
What the fuck, nigga? Why did you jump off, eh?
I shit myself, man. Taj bla wheelie jump. Ej, pa kva je to, uleršla, ali kva? A si vidio, ja nisam vrtel.
Naklajmaš ni, pazi.
Nigga, what are you trying to do today, man? And no brakes, yes.
Preveč ga je sunal, stari.
Prva je prasica. Ja sam mislio da je u drugi snela.
O, kurva.
Too slow, eh? Wow. That was nice.